Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we're doing a speed clean with me. And in today's video, I'm going to be using some Clorox wipes and some Mr. Clean. Alright you guys, I want to do this quick clean video so I can show you guys how you can just clean up your house really quickly. Just tidy up when you have those unexpected guests coming over, or you get that phone call and be like, hey, you know, I'm in the neighborhood, I want to stop by and see you. So you're jumping up trying to hurry up and just tidy up really quickly. So a lot of times I like to use the Clorox wipe in my Mr. Clean. So in this video we're going to be using these two products, and we're going to be focusing on my bathrooms and my kitchen area. So let's go ahead and get started with the video, you guys. Alright you guys, I want to just tell you I love these Clorox wipe. You guys, any kind of disinfectant wipe, it doesn't have to be, you know, the Clorox wipe. Because I really love using these. They make the cleanup process so much easier. As you can see, I use them to, you know, wipe down my mirrors, wipe down the faucets, wipe down the sinks. It's such a quick clean, you guys. It doesn't take long to get this done. So I really, you know, if you don't use any kind of disinfectant wipes, you guys really go ahead and purchase you some. I'm telling you guys, it's going to make cleaning so much quicker and easier. And it has such a very fresh scent to it. I love using the disinfectant wipes. Guys, that is the end of today's video. You guys, as you can see, I have done my quick clean, so I am ready for my unexpected guests to stop by and be like, "Ooh, yeah, your house is so clean." I'm be like, yes, I know. But I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope it motivated you and got you, you know, you got some good ideas. But again, you guys, those quick cleans, getting you some disinfectant wipe and a little, you know, household cleaner or spray, whatever you choose to use, you guys, get it done instantly. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.